We're Shelby and Tristan.
We're a big family looking for a small change.
After a series of never-ending lockdowns in Australia, we're excited to be joining the growing tiny house movement.
We're moving from our house in suburbia to an almost off-the-grid setup away from the hustle and bustle of the suburbs.
Over the last several months, we've learnt how to use tools,
Build a shed,
lay concrete,
downsize,
cut into a container.
and there are many more adventures ahead of us. Join us this week as we start to lay the floorboards.
So please help our channel to grow by giving us a like, subscribe, and staying notified with all our videos.
Let's get started. So I started doing the floorboards of the container. And one of the things that I'm finding is that I've started on the wrong side. I started on the side that hasn't been fully completed yet because we're still doing the frame of the window. So I actually need to, there's going to be a lot of work to try and rejig a few things. But I'm committed now, already having started, I cannot be bothered moving it around. I'm sweating so much, what a day.
Today we are up here at the container. We started laying some of the flooring down, realised the flooring that we got is not ideal, so we're ripping it up and starting again. We also have the underlay that didn't do too well either, so we've actually got some new underlay and we're putting that straight down, which will make things simpler, but it's a whole day that is wasted.
But we can make it back.
We are going to make it back.
Yay.
Tristan's got hope in us. I hope you do too. Today I am up at the container on site waiting for my dad to arrive. While I'm here, what we are planning on doing today is we've ended up with 2 more containers that will be coming on site. We won't be touching them as yet because we're not ready to do that. Our main aim is to get this one up and running. We've decided to put down the footings first on this container so that when the transport people come with the containers, we can put them straight exactly where we want them to go. Because we're going to be stacking them on top of each other for this side, we need different footings than what we've used for those ones. So that one we've used just concrete slabs. So for this one we're actually going to be digging some holes in. So Dad's coming up with his excavator and truck. Thanks, Dad. We're going to be putting in some holes and then putting in the footings that way with the cement so that it's going to hold both the containers because they'll both be heavy. Before Dad comes, Dad always has this thing whenever he's working, whether it's rain, water, shine, sunshine, hail, he has this way of saying, no matter whenever we're working with him, are we having fun yet? I wonder how many times I can say it to him today. Let's check it out. Summer Survivor. Looks good. Here we go. Ready? Painting. Get your steps up, guys. So this is our view, just swiveling around. This is our second container that we've had delivered, waiting for the third container, which will go over here for now until we can move it. As you can see, this is our gardening shed, which was our first project, and it's still standing. That spot there is actually our office. So I'm just going to walk down here so we can have a bit of a look. So this is a office portable that will become hopefully my office if Tristan lets me. But we will be getting there. It's air conditioned, which is great, and heat of space. So we'll have to do something about the flooring and probably a paint job, which will be fantastic. And there's lights in there. Over this side is where we've got our main container. As you can see here, we've put in the holes for the footings for the second container to go down. However, it was raining for the past couple of days, so it is all flooded at the moment. Hopefully that can all dry out so we can put the concrete in. So we've got 6 holes down this side, which is the footings for the next container. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, we've got lots and lots of tools everywhere at the moment. We've got our framing all up. Let's walk in. Our sliding door with our view. So it's actually quite big and spacious on the inside compared to what I thought it would be. I think having the windows and doors go up have definitely opened it up a lot more. We also have some ducks. They seem to pop in every now and then. Big area and space, which is awesome. So if we turn it around again, so this will be our lounge room / bedroom for the first couple of weeks or months. Then this part here is going to be cut out. So this whole square will be cut out, and that will be where the second container slides in across here. So it's going to look like a T. And then that'll be more of the open space. Our fireplace will go over here, and we're going to have some decking that goes across down this way, which will be fantastic. We cannot wait.
Please subscribe next time. Goodbye.